Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Cat Life. Welcome to the channel. We are here at the Xtreme Xperience in AutoBahn, Joliet. I got my brothers here with me, Raheel and then Sohail, aka Conflicts, hitting up 800,000 subscribers. So we are here to check out some awesome high-end exotic sports cars. We're gonna actually be getting into these cars. I'm actually driving the Huracan Lamborghini. What are you driving?
Driving the 911 GT3 RS, one of my favorite vehicles.
That's what's up. And you?
Ferrari 488 and the McLaren 570.
Hey, he gets two cars. I guess he's special, so that's okay. I'm excited for this one car. We're gonna have a great time. Let's check it out.
If you want the crown, then you've got to break them down. Break them.
Ready to go. Right. Let me see your badge. Look at this guy.
Got the Ferrari and the McLaren.
Yeah. And I just found out that I got the Huracan EVO. So this is going to be exciting because it's not the standard Huracan. It's going to be bad. Before we can race, we have to attend a mandatory 25-minute class to give you guys an idea of what's going on with this, how we're going to be driving, a little bit of tips here and there. So that's where we're headed.
90 miles an hour, if you're in a Mustang, you will still break that back end free at 100 miles.
So you got all these beautiful cars lined up, ready to go. Then you got the lead cars right here. So the ride-along will be in these high-powered Dodge SRT Hellcats. All right, so we're going to be doing a ride-along first to get an idea of what this track is all about before we hop into our supercars.
Turn in to the right. We have plenty of room to track out. Exit over here. Head back down the hill.
And this is my car right here. We're riding along in the Huracan EVO.
Make the ground shake.
We got a deal here at North Track of AutoBahn with Xtreme Xperience. We are in the beautiful red, cherry red, Lamborghini Huracan Evolution Edition.
That's right, absolutely beautiful. This car's giving me chills already.
I can't wait.
Sitting in here, yeah.
This is the deal's first time out on the track with us today. So we're going to take it nice and easy. I'm going to show them those cones, show them those hand signals, refresh what you learned in class, and then as soon as we get through a couple corners, your confidence is going to be going like this, and with your confidence comes the speed. All right?
That's awesome. All
right, my friend. All right, Adil, we're going to head on out behind this lead car. He is going to sense your pace and adjust his speed accordingly. But while we're doing that, let's go ahead and check out some cones. Over there on the right, we have an example of a pointer cone. You don't need to go out there just yet, but when we come down the straightaway, I want you to be right out by this cone, and that cone tells us when to turn. So we never have to guess for any of these corners when to turn the wheel. So in front of this lead car, you're going to head on up, you're going to see a pointer cone. Head right to it, Adil, and don't turn till we get there. Ready? A little bit of brake, head in. Apex, 3 feet away. Roll on that throttle, let the car come out. Yes, good. Exactly. That's what we're dealing with.
Nice.
Outside, in, 3 feet away from the inside of the corner. Corner cone on my side. We're going to head up to the left side. Nice and easy. Smooth steering. Yes, it's very light, so you got to be really smooth with your hands. Outside left, at the pointer cone. Lift off the brake, turn in. Rolling on that throttle, let the car go outside. Beautiful. Lifting, braking, smooth braking, a little harder for me. Head out to your cone, a little bit more brake. Turned in a little early, we're going to have to go a little slower. We'll get that angle next time. Roll on that throttle. Yellow cones lift, red cones brake. Nice smooth brake, a little bit more, Neil, a little bit more. Off that brake, turn it in. Good, slow hands there. That was perfect. I want you doing that on every corner, okay? Off to the left, a little bit of brake. Off the brake, turn it in, no curves. Good job. Rolling on that throttle. A little bit more, gradually squeeze. Now Now get it in
All the way
wheel.
to the end, I got
There
it.
you go. Now you got the angle. Roll on that throttle. Follow the lead car, please. Past this McLaren, okay? Go ahead.
pass?
Yeah, go ahead. Yep, nice and easy. A little bit of brake. Off that brake, turn it in. Get your eyes up. Left-hand side, corner cone. Just lift, a little bit of brake, turn in. You can roll on the throttle right now. Head outside. No curve, no curve. Left, braking hard. All the way to the cone. Don't go early this time. Don't go early. Now get it in, Deal. Look at that. See, you got the whole track now. Perfect. You're eating him up, buddy. You're eating him up. Let's let him go. More brake, more brake. Let's let him go right here through this transition so he doesn't hold you on the straightaway, okay? So let him tear off. He's got that thing maxed out. A little bit of brake, a little bit of turn it in.
Nope.
Yep. Easy. We're not through the corner. Yeah, we're not through the corner. Now roll on that throttle. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Brake hard, buddy. Slow hands. Ready? Off the brake. Turn in. Go ahead. Good. Remember, don't go early. Stay out wide. Brake, 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 brake. Go. Easy, easy.
Yep,
Get aggressive.
good.
There you go. Open that wheel. Exit that wheel. Don't worry about him getting away. He's a professional. You are not a professional. Right hand side. A little bit of brake. A little bit of brake. Turn it in. Get your eyes up. Find that next Kona deal. There they are. A little bit of brake. Off the brake. Turn it in. And roll on that throttle. Roll on it. Head outside. Nice. Beautiful. Lift. Hard brake. Don't go early. Stay outside. Don't go early. Get ready. Slow hands. Get it in. That is how you do the corner, my friend.
There you
Go for it. Well done. Braking hard, my friend. A little harder. Keep braking. Off the brake. Turn it in. Good job. Now you can follow him right to the pits.
Woo, that was
High energy, my friend. Woo!
Highly recommended, guys. A lot of fun. Yeah.
I feel you taking off. I feel you taking off.
Well, there you folks have it, the Xtreme Xperience. Now, check out the link in the description below to find out where they're going next. Now, this place does sell out very quick, so check in advance. Other than that, if you guys have any questions, be sure to put them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.